While the price of gasoline has dropped, other items like groceries are still expensive.
Are you feeling the sting every time you pick up takeout or shop for groceries? Food prices have been climbing for months, but do you know exactly why? Well, it's not just inflation, it's a combination of factors that's making your food bill soar. Let's break it down with hard facts and real data.
I just spent $33 on dinner tonight. I'm literally just making like lasagna soup.
What are you talking about? Was $8.25 now $6.89? Like this is some amazing deal.
For 4 chicken breasts, $10 to $11.
In the US, food prices have been steadily increasing for the last several years. In fact, the US Department of Agriculture projected a 5.8% rise in food prices in 2023 alone. So what's behind this surge? Segment 1, the hidden costs behind rising food prices. Let's start with supply chain disruptions. According to data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, supply chain issues following the pandemic and the ongoing global shipping delays have contributed to higher costs across almost every food category. Additionally, the cost of transportation has skyrocketed. In 2022, diesel fuel prices in the US surged by over 55%, adding significant cost to food transportation. That means everything from your pizza to fresh produce costs more to get to your table. Also, production costs have risen. For example, egg prices jumped by 60% in 2023, largely due to avian flu outbreaks, which wiped out millions of chickens. But wait, there's more. Did you know that food delivery services, which more Americans are using, charge up to 30% commission per order? This includes the cost of the delivery and the platform fee, which makes takeout even more expensive. Segment 2, the health impact of increased takeout. Now, let's talk about something else: health. In 2023, 30% of Americans reported eating fast food at least once a day. While this might seem convenient, studies show a direct link between frequent consumption of fast food and an increase in obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. A study from the University of Michigan found that regularly eating takeout could lead to a 10 to 15% increase in caloric intake. For example, the average takeout meal contains about 1,200 calories, which can easily exceed half your recommended daily intake. So those extra deliveries could be costing you in more ways than one. Segment 3, the bigger picture. Food and beverages are a huge part of the US economy, contributing nearly 5% to the US GDP. In 2022, the food service industry alone generated $824.61 billion in revenue. However, while food prices rise, many small businesses are finding it tough to stay afloat. For instance, large chains like McDonald's, Starbucks, and Chipotle have been able to absorb these costs and raise prices without losing customers. They're also using technology to stay competitive. McDonald's introduced self-service kiosks and AI-driven kitchens to lower costs, while Chipotle focuses on sustainability by sourcing organic, local ingredients. In contrast, smaller, independent restaurants are facing a tough time with rising costs and minimal technological resources. Segment 4, what can you do? So what can you do about it? First, let's consider how much you're spending. A 2023 report found that the average American spends about $3,000 annually on takeout and delivery. Cooking at home could save you a significant chunk of that money, up to $4,000 a year. Next, support local restaurants. Many of them are struggling due to rising costs, so by choosing to dine in or order directly from them, you can help them stay afloat while avoiding the hefty fees charged by delivery platforms. In summary, the rising cost of food is the result of a combination of factors: supply chain disruptions, transportation, production costs, and the growing popularity of delivery services. But with a little knowledge and effort, you can make smarter choices that not only save you money, but also benefit your health and support local businesses. We hope this video helped you understand the big picture. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And remember, your next meal could be healthier and cheaper if you make the right choices.